Went into an Irish pub, ordered a black and tan. The bartender, he says to me, "You are American." Accent, says I, "Yes, that," he says, "and plus you're far too tan. And your order is offensive to every Irishman." "Your pardon," I begged, and then I said, "You see, I've traveled far, all the way from Ameri-Kay to this pub in Mullingar, to answer me this riddle, if the stretch is not too far. Is it really whiskey if it's in Schroedinger's jar?" "Yes," he said, and "no," he said, "you see, I've heard that one before." The answer from a saucy lass who came from Tullamore, the night she drank to drown a horse, and that amount was 4. And then she told a story seeped deep in Irish lore, the story of a goddess bold, the wild Morrigan. She loved the brave Cu Chulainn, and when she offered him her hand, he said he only loved the battle, and into the fray he ran. She saw that no woman could ever truly be loved by a man, so she put a curse on Cu Chulainn, and then one curse more. But women will forever try to even up the score with all the men who take their sin and treat a woman like a whore. And she swore that all would be fair in both love and war. "What's that to do with the riddle of the jar?" asked I. He said, "A thing is not a thing until you see it with your eyes." Schroedi proved that everything is both truth and lie. And whiskey isn't whiskey till you drink the bottle dry. And whiskey isn't whiskey till you drink the bottle dry.